Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then again 6 divided by 3 is equal to also 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. In this problem, here is division, here also is division, and here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Divide 6, then divide 3. Now 2 divide 6 can be written as 2 by 6 divide 3. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same, 2 by 6. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction, 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to, now divide this 2 by using 2, so 1, and also divide this 6 by using 2, so 3. So 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, then 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. So the correct answer is 1 by 9. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.